The psychology behind your self-sabotage, a message from your future self. So, you're here again, watching another video, nodding along, convincing yourself that this time you'll change. But let's be honest, you won't. You'll go back to scrolling, procrastinating, and making excuses. And I should know, because I'm you, the version of you that actually got their life together. And right now, I'm pissed. I had to fight, crawl, and suffer to become who I am today. But you keep throwing away every opportunity. You had all the chances to change, to grow, to prove everyone wrong, but instead, you let your own weak mindset hold you back. You sabotage yourself, and you don't even realize it. You say you want success, but the moment things get hard, you fold. Why? Because deep down, you like being a failure. It's comfortable. No risks, no pressure. You can sit there and pretend it's not the right time or that you'll start tomorrow. Here's the truth. You are the only thing standing in your way, not your circumstances, not your past, you. You keep making the same excuses. I'm just not that type of person. Shut up. That's a lie you tell yourself to stay weak. You think you're afraid of failure? No, you're afraid of actually succeeding and having to maintain that level of effort. You'd rather stay average because it's easier. Well, guess what? Easy leads nowhere. The version of you that you dream about, he doesn't exist. Not unless you start acting like him. So what's it going to be? Are you finally going to stop being a coward? Or are you going to keep wasting your life, watching others win while you stay exactly where you are? Time's running out. I refuse to be disappointed in you again.